Good morning, guys. I'm freezing. We are close and I'm outside and it's freezing and this place honestly is scaring the crap out of me. Yeah, I think he's one-upped the neighbors with the bloody clothes and the melted face. Actually, I don't know, neighbors might have bloody clothes too. It's all pretty sketchy. We're waking up this guy named Nick. His girlfriend just wanted to have some fun with him, kind of screw with him right before the holidays. Or Halloween. Her name's Ashley. Yeah, here she is. Hey guys. I don't know, I haven't ever pranked him and I think this would be an awesome way too. Oh yeah, he might cry. And I'm not even exaggerating. 1.5 years. I live in the same apartment complex, so we just like slept separately. There's like 100 apartments, but there's this is 2 stories. Yeah, and one of his roommates is sleeping on the couch, so you might get a double whammy. Sleeping on the couch. And we have to pass by him. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, apartment complexes always make me nervous because there's so many people close by. So hopefully nobody calls the cops. Ah. Okay. Let's do it. All right, go. Go. All right, we're walking.
Turn the light off.
Now we're going up.
Pizza, wake up, Nick! Wake up! Pizza, wake up, Nick! Yeah!
Good morning! You just got woken up by Johnjay and Rich! Wow!
Uh-oh.
And here come the smoke alarms. By the way, this guy's in his underwear.
Okay, doesn't smoke in there. They're sexy though.
Kind of cute, not gonna lie. But he's kind of cute, not gonna lie. Alright! Here, talk to Johnjay and Rich.
I don't want to.
Just talk to him.
Good morning. Yes. Good morning. I can't curse. I'm good. I'm tired. You know, I'm a little bit shocked. Yeah. Yeah. Apparently so.
Oh, that'd be really funny to get out of here like that.
Yeah, I know exactly. That's what I'm saying. It's bad news all around. All right, thanks.